Alright, I'm on the 1964 Barracuda. I've gotten all the bolts out. There's 12 of them on the intake, and it took a little bit of work, but it seems like this point right here, I don't know if it's my finger showing it, but it's a little tab right above the timing cover that seems to be the magic spot to break it free from whatever is holding it in place. So I've got it already loosened up. This is the first look under it, so let's see what shape we're in here. Alrighty. And I have a mouse nest. I got some work to do, but I don't see a lot of rust down in there. I'll just get my little vacuum cleaner out and clean that up and try and get some of this rat nest out of here. I don't think they're living in there. Oh, they got way down into the cam. So they must have went through the carburetor or someplace. Yeah, may have to do quite a bit of work. Thanks for watching. Alright, this is after vacuuming and working with a little hand tool to clean out the valleys so that I can pour some lubricant down in there and kind of loosen things up. This is all in preparation of just trying to get this crank to turn. I don't know that it's seized, but I just was taught a long time ago by old timers that just assume that it is seized and lubricate it thoroughly, and then you won't destroy anything. So just sticking with what I know. Thanks for watching.